Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Market Analyst at Hantec on Wednesday 7th of August. Looking at Eurodollar now, which is still on the brink, isn't it? It broke out above the this pivot, which is a pivot because it's broken through that resistance of 1180 to 12 big figure. It basically closed pretty much bang on that pivot at 12 big figure yesterday, just slipping back a touch today. Still trading within this band, 1180 to 12 big figure. I'm working on the analysis that basically if it closes back under 1180, I think that turns the market more negative again in the corrective move. But there is support at 1160 area. It was interesting that yesterday's reaction low was 1166, so slightly above that. But look at this hourly chart. We've now broken this uptrend, recovery uptrend. You're now starting to see at the best a more neutral configuration on the hourly RSI between 60 and 40. MACD lines around neutral. So it seems as though that what I was saying in the morning report, that I think the outlook for Eurodollar is going to be more messy now in the next few weeks. I think given the fact that we've broken sharply through that downtrend of the past few weeks, I think this now means that the outlook becomes far more uncertain. I don't necessarily think that Eurodollar is going to be plummeting back anytime soon below 110 big figure. I think it's going to be a choppy play, given the fact that the uncertainty through the dollar, given how the Federal Reserve is going to be cutting interest rates, that sort of restricts, I think, dollar strength. But ultimately, I think that euro is going to be also restricted by the economic stagnation that it still finds itself in, but also the ECB's easing that's coming through. So subsequently, I think we're going to see euro-dollar basically choppy sideways, not really any real trend formation. And I think that it sort of reflects this in the last few days. As I said, a move below 1180 really does sort of open the downside a little bit once more. But then you start to think about 1162 and 11 big figure again being supportive. But for now, the euro is a little bit uncertain in terms of its outlook. But I think hourly chart is fairly neutral in its configuration. Now it's broken that uptrend. You've got initial resistance 1220 and then 1250 from yesterday's high. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you later. Click here to subscribe to our videos on YouTube and go to our website where you can join up for our trading webinars.